boys and girls, welcome to channel. This is your Koopa Blocks and welcome back.
Hi, I am Vishal.
As you know, Alice is back, and whenever this happens, you all know why is he here.
For challenging.
Yes, guys! And do you know why are we here? What challenge I am going to do, you see?
I should guess the game below 100,000 or less than 100,000.
So, can you do it? And if you guess all collect, then I'm going to do nothing.
Huh?
So, let's get into the game. So, you see, can you think you can guess all of the games?
Yes.
So, let's begin. You have to join me, okay, sir? And here I'll be, guys. This is the first game. Can you think you can get this? And
Yes.
this game is very unexpected. This game,
Lucky block game. Kick a lucky block.
you see, home first to join the game.
I'm coming, wait.
How are you? See?
Where you can see me? There are.
You see?
I have one. Where are my brain?
Nothing you. And you.
This is New York one, sorry.
How many do you think this game has?
Above 100,000. 100% above 100,000.
Above 100,000? Are you sure?
Sure.
Lock in?
Lock in.
You will lock is it. This game is 700,000.
700,000.
79,000. You see, this game is a bit 200,000. That's why, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why. See, it came like confusing, guys. But the games are more confusing. So let's get into the second game. Is Ali talk? Ali,
Don't do that game, huh?
you don't do anything but buffalo.
Hey, why is it not coming? My phone is hanging, guys.
You have phone also.
Oh, yes, guys.
Guys, do you think that I can guess this? Really, guys, I'm not joking. This game is so difficult.
And what?
When I first joined the game, I thought that how is this game like this, dude? Already ambulance. What's happening? You see, you cannot join. If you cannot join Buffalo, you can just click that game now. See, this guy has zero Roblox knowledge, as I told. So don't suspect. Why is my phone has 20% charging? I can play. Okay. So boys, wow, there's a quick start option. Whoa. Wow, there's a lot of options, dude. I'm ready to go. Okay. Let me just see how much can you guess this.
No game is, I think 100, it should above 100,000 only. I should see that.
But join the game, see. No problem, no hurry, see. See, are you game?
The game looking right.
You see, how many players do you think this game has? First to join the game.
Sometimes this game is.
First check this game out. First check this game. I've seen
Hello,
my Lamborghini. See, this is my Lamborghini. See, how are you? You see, this is my Lamborghini.
Where are you?
Here. See, this is my Lamborghini. Bye. See.
Ready. I also, where you buy it?
See, I got this one for free.
Many are there.
Click on bikers button, then you will get it. You see, come, I will take you to with my. You see, come join me.
Okay, I'm coming. Where are you?
Hi, see.
Your scooter cycle.
Let's move it now. Stand here. Wait. Please. So go up to the hospital.
Need one car.
Allah, direction inside Buffalo.
Yay!
So go inside the hospital.
Cheating fella.
Buffalo, so go. I go. I don't care. Yeah. I can't.
First ring
This is the door, boy.
Okay.
This is the door.
Sorry, bro.
Yes, I'm the golden person.
Jay, come on, up we will see. Up we should go.
Wait. I'm coming.
Up.
Up means how much? Okay, up to we should cross the second load also.
Wait.
Second 2 loads are there. You should go cross 2 loads, okay?
Double cycle.
Please don't go.
Go.
What? You're so fast. You're so fast. But mine is so faster.
Double cycle.
No, I will go more faster. I will go more faster. Alice, I came first. I came first.
Okay, now we'll go to our real place.
I forgot how many do you think this game has?
I think we have 100,000 I like this game.
Why do you like this game? First, does it a very bad game?
I don't know, problem have 100 all I giving.
This game has only 58.
Really?
500 to 1000 boys.
Yeah, baby.
This game is the most popular game on Roblox, boy.
Nova.
It's always
Hey, why you came to
it has 82 billion visits, boy.
Hey, Super Rohan.
82 billion people play this game. 82 billion people. Now I will let it the game.
Come on, to my cycle.
Believe it. Now let's go in that game. This game is hello boys and girls. Oh wow, I've stacked up good. I've played this game for a lot of time. Ale, guys, if you see guess this game now, I will be like, how did you even guess this, dude? This game is so good and so hard for you to guess, dude. This game can be in 1 million. Or this game can be in the 100s. But this game is not hundreds, dude. No. This game is in millions. Buffalo White don't answer.
Yeah.
Nothing. So, guys, nothing I told, guys. It's not. I just told you the full answer. Nothing I told, okay? So, do you think that this guy can guess the game? Because it's boy name of an AC. And see how much time it's taken to load in the game. It's not?
Because you have 5G, I have 3G.
Buffalo, we both have 5G only, boy. Wait, how did it? Oh, at least for like. Buffalo, you must skip option until you can see, yeah?
Oh.
You see?
Wow.
You see how see me? You see it?
Where are you?
Back of you, see?
Where are
You see? How are you? This is me. And me also attacking you, that boy.
you? Are
See me, spell activated. Spell. You see me, boy, here you see.
you are here.
Back of you. But not, that is not me, but Buffalo.
This is not you.
Buffalo.
I go into magic. I go.
You see what? See, back of you, boy, here. That is me. I'm doing the
This one is you, yeah.
Hi, it's the time to ice one. See the powers. Lotus bloom. Someone inside fall stand. I have seen my powerful person. You see how many players sitting this game has?
The first time I saw.
Okay.
What is it?
This is my pet boy.
Okay.
Go attack the DC. This boy's a dog. You can attack him. Go play this game. Already thinking. Go
Slay. Less than 100,000. 100%.
Knocking. How 100,000 but less than 100,000? How you thinking?
That's right.
How what? The game is so good, you know.
Nothing will happen less than 100,000.
Okay. You'll be shocked, boy. This game has only 2,000. That is how good. Only 2,000 how this game has. This game is so good now.
Very bad at that way.
Would you give how nice it's looking?
Yes,
boy?
I got 3 out of 2 points.
Still you're not getting anything now because you lose one. Now how many thousand, boy?
3,000.
Buffalo.
I understand it.
Let's do 3,000. 3,000 this game will have a time to kill myself, boy. This one nice game will have 3,000 now. Pokemon only they see 10,000 more. They have 1 million people. For 1 million people, at least 10,000 people should play this game now, boy. If at least 1 million people like, technically I can see them as a guess, Buffalo. 1 million people will play this game is at least 10,000. Oh, what is this loading screen, boy? How cool it's looking. See, catch up, Lord.
I like this animation.
It's so cool, is it?
Yes, I can give
It's so cool, right? And forgot to talking of guys only. You are visit a lot lab to get your first brain lot. Guys, what do you think? Can you pick up brain lot? Pikachu, no baby, Pikachu, no!
Anyway,
it. All you see my phone and get some.
No. No chance.
You please don't Sahul. Okay, why? You this Q count is super late blame. This is that illegal to have. Okay. Why?
Come on.
Don't I tell everyone. I tell my best friend anyway.
What were you here for?
Oh, you would like to receive your first blade, Lord.
It is coming, booty body.
Yeah, I have
It
them.
is the little lot.
Okay. Oh, no, not this. See, Bonica, Ravla Malabu. This is Fula Fuli. And this is Clipatli. Yeah, okay, get out of okay. Now, if I had to guess, I will take because it will be tung tung. Not this dude again.
What this is?
Get out!
Drop this phone.
Wow, honest animation, dude, this all so cool. It's a guess from my phone,
It
dude.
is coming.
It's game?
Yeah.
So she started. Yes! Yes! Yes!
This is not going now.
Come with me! You see it? You joined the game?
Cell, I don't want. There is another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this animation is so cool, boy.
Lab.
This animation is so cool. Now this is a brainlord game, but yeah, dude. If this was a Pokemon game, this game would be at 2 million players, but this game has less than 1,000 players. What to do? Sahul versus Bonica Labalabu. Fight, baby! Charge! Oh, wow! This game is so cool. What should I pick? I feel like I'm challenged yet because of this game.
Next video will make this game only then.
Yeah, next video, I'm gonna charge again. Okay, fight. How many is a charge, dude? Charge. Fight. Heal. Let's just use a sword. Yeah! Bonica Labalaba, attack me! I have energy. I can do it. I can do the bomb! You're gonna die, dude! No, die again! No! Use your bomb! Bomb! Oh, this game is so cool, dude. This game is so... Get that Bonica Labalaba. What do we have now? Oh, Flula Fluli. Fight. I need some charge. And yes, yes, use charge. You see how many players do you think this game has? It has less than 1,000.
Game not in more than 100,000.
More than 100,000. No, but less than 1,000, boy.
No, more than 100,000.
You see, it will be shocked to know this, boy.
Wait, still don't tell.
You can't you told now. This game has only 10,000 players.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then 100,000 I want.
Only 10,000 players it has, boy. Can you believe that, boy?
No.
It really has, boy.
Then show me a proof.
We can check after this video, boy. All videos you can take proof. So, guys, this was the 4th game. Now it's time for the last and okay, learn. So in the next game, is it going to want an actual hint?
What is the actual?
This game has less than 1 billion players. Is that good hint?
Very good hint.
This game has less than 1 billion players, guys. Yeah, this is one of the best game. This is all less than 1 billion. And do I have the leaf? Oh, okay, I have the Crimson. Okay, let's just play. Crimson flag, dude. Come over here. Yeah, the king. Yeah, no. This one, on this power. Yes. Yeah, kill one player, dude. I play this in my free time a lot. Not this guys that leave. I hate Leaf Pastor. I hate him. Buffalo, wow, why so stupid? Yeah! 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 I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Yeah! Okay, Buffalo. Is it? This game will never guess about this game is more than 1,000 players. And less than 2,000 players. And less than 1 billion players. That's compulsory. All games less than 1 billion players, okay?
Yes, so I know that one.
Okay. Is it how are you? Because you should choose one power. Yours is ice. Now we're going to fight players. Lava map is selected. Is he violent top boy? Is he? Where are you? Someone's killing you. That is me only. Yeah, bye, I kill you. But this game is so good, dude. See, do you want to guess now only?
No, I want to play.
You want to give some time, huh?
Yes.
This game you'll be shocked after getting the answer. I should not expect this game to have this list players. Okay, see, where are you? I will not leave you. Where are you? Is he? I did one dancing boy, huh? Oh, I found you. Yeah! You see, so that lava one, that's me only. How am I? I can't go in this game. No, I'm not wasting this game. I'm wasting this game. Yeah. Che.
Where are you? You want to play the hide and seek?
In my dreams. I'm not gonna leave one of them, dude. Yell at you. Shoo. Sui. Ronaldo. I'm playing with Zero Head, guys. Don't expect me to win this. This is the most greatest fight of all time. Okay. Can I do this? No, don't go too close. Bye, sit. Thank you.
Who killed me?
Me only, of course. Autumn, I wanna killing you. Sorry, you wanna give him 3 kills? Say, he killed me, dude. So guess boy, how much time you play? So guess boy. Guess boy. So how much time you thinking? How much you think, boy? What?
Less than.
Less than 100,000?
Less than.
You want to know the answer? Guaranteed. You think you will be shocked, boy. Really shocked you will be. This game has more than
100,000 more.
suddenly will change, huh? Okay. This game This game has more than 100,000 players.
You're more. I don't know.
This game has less than 100,000 players, boy.
Yeah!
I'm gonna vote him. So if he loses this last match, has to do less more. Then he said the less again. He said one again. He said less.
And then last I told less only now.
And this game is more than 2,000. Okay, guarantee now. True or one? This game is more than 100,000 players. That is simple. What is it?
Yes, I only win.
This game is less than 100,000. Okay, closed fully. This game is less than 100,000. This game is stop it. You can guarantee that there is more than 100,000. So So guys, see you in the next video. I win this match, but next time he will win maybe. Anyway,